Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the 403 forbidden error. So if you're trying to access a website and keep getting blocked or denied access, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser, for example, Google Chrome. Now look at the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, go to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security, then scroll and open Third-Party Cookies. Now click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This is where your saved website data is stored. Let's say you're having this issue with a site like x.com or any other website. Use the search bar at the top and type the website name. Once you see it, click on the delete icon next to it, then confirm by pressing delete. This removes corrupted or blocked data that could be causing the 403 forbidden error. Now we need to fix another possible issue, browser extensions. Go to the left panel and select Extensions. Here, go through your extensions and disable or remove all of them one by one. Some extensions can block websites or interfere with access, which often triggers this error. Once you're done, close your browser completely and then reopen it. Now try visiting the website again. It should load normally without the 403 forbidden error. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.